Hello there, my name is Edgar. Core by Premier Software has the ability to log and process a gift voucher right from the initial client sale through to its redemption. To do this, Core assigns each voucher a unique ID which can be automatically created by the system or input manually. In this video, I will therefore show you how to set up a voucher and each step of managing it. First, log into Manager if you are a single-site business, or Administrator if your business is based across multiple sites. Whilst there are some slight differences between the two in the main screen, the general areas operate the same. In this example, we will use the Administrator application. Once logged in, head to the General section and click the General menu icon. In the next window that appears, click the Sites icon. Next, make sure to highlight your site name if you are based across multiple sites, then click the Site Settings tab. Scroll down the menu on the left until you find Voucher Options. Click to highlight this. You will produce various options on the right. If you would like your gift vouchers to have numbers automatically generated for them, then we will be able to configure this as per the Auto Generate Gift Voucher Numbers option. This will assign a unique ID to each voucher automatically, which Core will log and recognize for use. If this option is not grayed out and is unticked, the system will require a reference to be entered on the sale of the voucher. We recommend not ticking this box if the vouchers you sell already have reference numbers printed on them. On occasion, clients may wish to use a voucher that was not created in your system. Tick the Allow Redemption of Non-Existent Gift Vouchers to allow this. Clients will then be able to use vouchers set up in any previous system or vouchers from third-party businesses. Allow part use of vouchers will enable clients to use some of their gift voucher's value towards a bill, leaving any remaining balance on the same voucher number. Core will be able to track this remaining balance and allow redemption of this on another visit. With the initial voucher option set, click the back arrow to return to the main menu. To set up a new voucher, head to the voucher icon. In Administrator, this is located under the Stock section. Here you will see a list of any previously set up vouchers. Click the green plus to start anew. Enter a description for the new voucher, which will be the name. This could be Gift Voucher £30 for example. The Income Center should be set to Gift Voucher Purchase or an equivalent for any gift voucher revenue. To the right, you will see the barcode field. You can ignore this for now if you don't have a set barcode you would like to apply to the voucher. The Valid For field will set how long the voucher will be available for use in months after purchase. For example, you may want vouchers to only be valid up to 12 months after purchase. Speaking of the purchase, you can tick the Sell Online box should you want the voucher to be sold online. Below, you can allocate which sites to sell the gift voucher at. Click the applicable site if you have more than one, then click the single right arrow to allocate the sale to that site. Keep doing this for as many sites as necessary, or click the double right arrow to allocate the sale to all sites. When you are happy with the details, click the green tick. You can also amend any name or details for each site in the Site Settings tab. Next, you will need to set the sale price of the voucher if you want to set a price for it. This can be done in the Pricing Structures section. Simply head to the Vouchers tab, locate the voucher, and enter the price in the Retail Price section. Click the Confirm button to save the changes. With the new voucher set up, you will now be able to retail it. Gift vouchers will need to be sold to a named client for the gift voucher tracking to work. When it comes to this, log into reception. Once here, click Client Sale, or alternatively you can sell this following the Departures screen. On the Sale screen, click the Gift Vouchers icon. This will produce a list of all your available vouchers. Click the applicable voucher to then highlight it. You will then be able to enter the quantity of vouchers the client wishes to purchase. The value will show at the bottom. Click the green plus to add the voucher or vouchers to the bill. Upon adding this, the Gift Vouchers details screen will then display. Here you will see the description of the voucher as well as the number. This will be the gift voucher tracking number or unique ID mentioned earlier. If this box is yellow, this indicates that Core is automatically generating the tracking numbers for you. If this is white, you can now enter the chosen voucher number. Finally, the expiry date will show as the default number of months set up prior, although you can amend this by clicking the drop-down arrow and selecting a new date from the calendar. Click the green tick when you are done here. You will then be able to click the green tick from the sales screen and take payment as normal. When a client wishes to use the voucher, you will first need to search for the ID in the system. Back on your reception main screen, head to Mail Order to do this. You can search for the name of the client who purchased the voucher by setting the method drop-down menu to surname and then searching for this in the field to the left. Alternatively, if you know the voucher number, set the method to voucher number. Then input the number in the search field. Click the magnifying glass to complete the search. A list of matching voucher details will then show below. Click to highlight the applicable one, then click the green tick. You will be presented with a new screen. In the Order Review section, you will see the applicable voucher highlighted. Here you will have several options. Change Expiry will enable you to modify the expiry date. Voucher History will view the payment history of the voucher, which is useful for tracking if the voucher has been part used. Void will enable you to mark the selected voucher as being void and no longer available for use. You can then select to refund any outstanding amount via prepayment, which will show on the client's personal details and be available for use again later. Refund, which will simply refund the value to the method of payment. No refund, which will not refund any value. And reallocate will void the voucher but reassign it with a new number for use. Useful if the voucher becomes lost or stolen. So that clients can use the voucher in payment, head to the main reception menu and click Client Sale or head through Departures. Click the green tick to head to the payment method screen. Once here, you can then select the Gift Voucher button as the payment method. This will produce a new window. Enter the voucher number in the Allocate Voucher field on the right. If the number matches one in your system, you will be presented with a confirmation. If not, then you will be asked to create a new voucher. You can then enter the applicable voucher details. When all is done, click the Close button. You will then be able to click the green tick to complete the sale as normal, with the gift voucher as the payment method. If you have yet to experience Core by Premier Software, want to book a free presentation using the link in our video description on YouTube, or visit our website at www.premier-core.com. Alternatively, you can find out more about Core when you telephone our sales team on +44 01543 466 580 or email us at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. Why not subscribe to us on YouTube for weekly videos on how to use Core and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as they become available. You can also follow us on Twitter at Core by Premier and LinkedIn at Premier Software Solutions for regular content. Take care and thank you for watching.